Hey everyone, it's Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club. I'm going to show you how to make your own butter. If you are someone that loves butter like I do, there's nothing better than fresh butter, and you can make it yourself. All you need is heavy whipping cream, which is the highest fat milk that you can buy, a little bit of salt if you want salted butter, and some type of jar that has a lid on it. So here I have a pickle jar that I had finished. You can take a spaghetti jar after you have your spaghetti or lasagna. You can wash it out and use it. And then you also need a glass of cold water and then a strainer. You're gonna need a strainer. All right, so all you do is you take your heavy whipping cream, you can make whipped cream out of this too, and you wanna fill your jar halfway, not all the way to the top, because it does actually expand. Now make sure you put your lid back on. Don't want any dumping out. And then you want to put and secure your lid on really, really tight, like this, really tight, okay? Now, little kids can do this too by using a little baby food jar because you're gonna do a lot of shaking. So it's really fun to actually have the kids involved as well. And what you're going to do is we're just gonna shake. We are little, and you wanna make sure it hits the top of the jar. And you're gonna shake and shake and shake. And you're going to shake it continuously to actually hear kind of a thumping sound. And that thumping sound, what it does is it actually means that it's starting to make the butter. So we're just gonna shake and shake and shake and shake and shake. Keep shaking, keep shaking. All right, so after shaking, this took about 12 minutes of heavy shaking, and then you will see that it separates. There's going to be milk, which is called buttermilk. You can add this to your buttermilk pancake recipe, and then the actual butter that's separated, the high fat content. So what you're gonna do is pour this out, and you're going to have all the buttermilk, yay, over here. Perfect. Now, if I'm going to use the buttermilk, I'm going to go ahead and save it. But since I'm not going to save this buttermilk, I'm going to take some super cold water and I'm going to pour it on the butter. And what this is going to do is it's going to take all that buttermilk off of it, which can kind of give it a tangy taste, and that's not what we're going for right now. It does taste good in buttermilk pancakes. And then we're going to lift it up. And there we have amazing butter. I'll get a close-up of it. I don't know if you can see that. I'll get a close-up of it, and then we're gonna spread it on some bread, and yum, 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 homemade butter in your house. Super fun. Make sure you pass this jar around with other people around the house, because it does kind of wear on you with your arm strength to keep it going. Make it a fun thing. Turn on some music, dance with it, and have fun making butter. Let me show you this on some bread. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you make this. It's a lot of fun family activity to do at home. Enjoy and yum. There's some, drop some, yep, dropped it. Oh, yep, dropped it all right there. Okay. All right. Didn't spread it as well as I thought.